left your message.
You left
And we call it. Yes,
Are
I
you,
did.
are you call me and a friend me bum fi come fi close.
I'm
And
not frightened you.
and then now
I'm
you're
not
gone
frightened
about
you.
your business after me put on
Okay.
phone and I've put on phone and gone bed and say me I come over your yard.
Actually, put the water them under this so we're not done.
You call me a friend fi come fi close and know you're not there in your yard for. But I'm here.
Listen me. Now bring your mouth to me.
I feel me
Are
mouth.
you wrong? Are you wrong?
I feel me mouth.
Call you before me leave the house.
My phone up on silent.
Your phone up on what?
Silent.
That are you and it business all you forgot on silent because you chat too much.
Chat can't too much.
You're one too much, it unnerve me.
No, chat cannot too much.
Because I tell you, say, me I go a BJ's.
You buy a little piece of free frock for me from all long. And
when you the free one when you buy me then nigga da?
what do you mean?
Me tell you about your mouth. You don't buy none gimme. So if me buy one and it there me yard I have to do a wait for me thing and have to.
I feel wait to see if it just nice and see if it a go fit me.
That's your business. If it's not nice, it's just not nice.
And say
And if it not fit you, don't wear it.
and me I make sure I try it out when I come over there cause if it can't fit right now look me just dash it on you. Cause me not carry go me not carry go me I go take up no space. Just dash it gear. You might look up this old frock for me and then I go tell mom if you try it and I leave it there so you can't send go give who you want send it go give. Me I go keep it. So me send it go give who me want give if it can't fit me.
Like land crab. Boat. You didn't buy nothing for send go give who you want if you can't fit you have to let it same place. You're too enough for sound lights.
You there?
I'm gonna change myself to one of them digital business, yeah.
You there?
You chat too much.
Boy.
Both say if it can't fit, you can't send it like how you did buy something. Where we send what go wet.
Some of the people where me can't give it to.
No, me not have nobody. I hear insect me have. You have people and me have insect.
Me never tell you that.
Can be your people them.
Are you chat?
Me have insect. Hey, you know me I make nice and everything to some people look at me. You see you? If you start making me go on like hooligan, you know? I don't need to do stop making me go on like hooligan.
You is a hog.
Yes.
You is a hog. That's what you is.
Deal with people like you know, so them have to turn animal.
Mercy. Oh my gosh. You take a little chop on somebody, a little frock for me, and here where you have me, I feel I go through to get a little piece of old frock. First, me if you come there, how much in days now, days you keep on a change, and then me do about my business good today, and you call me and make me run go to the bathroom early, cause me say, me just got beat. From morning, me sit down there, I work, I bust my head, and then you call me, disturb me. And then me say, me go beard and come over there. Don't go fit in a car, park up, I got you send me voice now, boy. You there BJ's. Where you get BJ's membership?
You're too fast. Where you get Costco on from?
Me buy it. Me buy me Costco membership. Where you get BJ's membership?
And I just never send it to you fit.
You can't thief nothing foreign. Certain things you just cannot thief a foreign.
Okay.
So I must somebody sitting.
I get me get it. You know, now that me tell you, if you know say I get me get it.
Oh, so me think I buy it.
No, I get me get it, can you say? Where me get it from?
No, meaning like, meaning you can't buy it. See, no, tell me say you buy it.
Get it free?
No, tell me say you buy it then.
So ask me foolish, so me no must give some fool answer.
And a fear one. And a fear one. And a fear.
Come on from my phone. Come on from my phone because you get me upset. You get me upset. You really get me upset. Now you buy your one, but me can't buy my one.
Me never say that. Me just ask you a question. Me say, where you get it?
Oh, you get yours.
So oh, you never tell me say you, all along you never tell me say you have a BJ's membership.
Why?
Suppose me want go. Me not have none. Me not have none. Suppose me want go BJ's.
But you have something else.
Me never go in a BJ's.
See that, Shelly?
I me want go. Like how you have membership, you can carry me, please?
No.
Why not?
You're too ready, are you? And that's why we don't get ready with the church. That's why we don't get back, you know.
So wait.
We don't know if satisfied with your membership that you have, where you will get it from.
So wait there. So wait there, let me ask you a question. When you borrow my restaurant depot card and have it in your wallet, I walk up and down for about 6 months, and every time I go over there, I can't remember say you have it, and I have to give them a phone number. I can't just walk in and you have it over there. And already I that. And when you borrow my Costco card, and already I that. And them kind of liberty you take with me all the time. If you have a BJ's card and I say I'm never going to BJ's yet, you can't make me go one day. You can't say, all right, my friend, me and you go one day. You have to cuss me about it.
That's why me and you are no friend. Me no keep friend. Come off of my phone. And that's why people nigga like who know. Make people know. We still have them now? Make people know no keep friend. Who no kind of nigga.
Hear there. After you just diss me and tell me oh me full of what like crab and all them something there.
Why you don't want to come to BJ's if you have Costco membership?
Why you go to BJ's? Why you go?
Costco membership.
But you borrow my Costco membership before.
Them can't do it again. You can't do it again. Picture it at the panic now, so it can't happen.
So me can't borrow your BJ's membership. I want to see what in they look like. What?
Come in and just come in and look. You don't have to show nothing when you just walk in and when you have cash out.
Yeah, BJ's?
Yes, so you just walk in and come look out in the store. And then you come out. See them here? Simple.
No, I want you come with me so I can see what I get. If I get something cheaper than Costco, because Costco gets so expensive right now.
Everywhere.
We also give them back their membership and not pay no more money. Cause me have to spend money figure. Me have to spend money for buy membership for go spend my money. What can I go so?
Don't pick up no lemonade nothing. Yo, sour juice. I don't like it. I make my body shiver when I drink it.
It'll kill nature. And Shelly no man. So she use lemonade to kill out in nature. Shelly, you not hear me?
The coconut water good for the heart, but that's killing nature.
Yeah, but then coconut water you're full of sugar like cover.
Not this.
Gala about your business. Buy something for me from B. Then leak out. Gracey, carry some from BJ so because me here say them have nicer things than Costco. Me say BJ's have nicer things than Costco.
The guava supposed to taste good. The guava nature, I don't want no lemonade. Who got the lemonade now, Shelly? No, lemonade.
Gracie.
No,
they have nicer things than Costco.
To me.
Yeah, me here. When I'm a girlfriend tell me. At one time I ever go there, me and somebody go there, and when me just come here, when me not go over there, come here, so them and Costco sell the same. So me never go over there back. Go on about your business if you ever fall upon piece of cloth. Yeah. What am so?
Oh boy. Alright.
Mm-hmm. Apologize. Oh, she hang up. When you know, Gracie done me, and then when me have clap back now, she make it sound like me bad. Gracie done me all the time, and then when me clap back, she make it look like I'm me a trouble her. Me was nice to her, you know. But the truth, she buy a little piece of frock for me from one day, she send it, come show me, and I say, wow, me love it. And I say, buy one for me. And all long now, every minute, oh, come over me house to the frock, come over me house to the frock. Well, come sit down up in a car and I check phone a while ago. After she call me out of my way, I'm there, my desk of work with this whole heap of paper, stress out from morning, me stress out with one whole heap of bills and the online, I pay bills and a this and a that the whole day. Frustrate me. I reset up my bills them, make them tell auto pay because I can't, but I can't keep track. I can't keep track in America with bills. Oh my God. I just set them up on auto pay because I can't bother. So from morning, I sit down there, I set up some of my bills them for auto pay and a that. If I follow to keep up with them rotted world bills there in America, I'm mad. I swear. Jesus have mercy. I have to set them up some of them for auto pay. I cannot keep up. Jesus. Mercy. From morning, sit down and I pay. Them just a come in so. Oh, can't stand it. Follow this your place, you remember me tell you. Better me go. Let me not say that. I say me look house where I post every day. When you did live in that little board house there, you eat, you drink, and you not worry about nothing. Yes, sir? Oh, mad. Some unexpected bill and lick you. Some 5 grand, some 4 grand. And I'm like, what the? No. Ridiculous. Life in America, no nice. Stay there, work to the. Work like a slave, you have to pay. Ridiculous. Me can't keep up. I mean, I want to late pay for my credit. So I have to just set up some of them for auto pay. I can't keep up, man, that crunch me. I can't keep up. It's a lot. McDonald's, later. Okay? Later.